Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm the author of this new book, Learn to Draw Cartoons, the world's easiest cartooning book ever. And it'll show you, focuses on the shapes of the head, how to make the shapes of the body so that the details come more easily. A lot of people focus on the details and it's very hard to make it all work at the end. It doesn't come together, so we're going to avoid that. It's got lots of steps, lots of hints. It's not one of those books that you pick up with a ton of text, so you should, which indicates that it wants you to read yourself into learning to draw. This will show you how to draw. So today I'm going to show you how to draw this character with very simple steps. So it may look like it's challenging, but you'll see that it's actually easy if we focus on the overall steps. So let's first get the oval for the face. Here's a center line. Here's an eye line. The eye line is very curved because she's looking down. Here are the eyes, like so. The nose is low, so is the mouth. Face is curved like this. And we'll give her a little bit of a block here for the wraparound for the scarf, which will come like this. She's got an overcoat. Now let me get those eyelashes here. Then we have bell bottoms and the feet just poking in like that. Here is the hair coming like this. Now see, we're just blocking everything out. We don't just start with shading or start with the details of the hair, the details of the eyes. We get everything in place first. Very little in the way of shoulders, because she's going to be putting her arms, bending them in. The elbows will come into the jacket. And then the eyes will look right at us, big pupils. And some hair coming down here. Okay, so now let's use black and see if we can get this going. Now is when we stop being quite as rough and we try to be a little more accurate in what we're drawing, because this is the time to commit to what we're doing. Alright, so big eyes kind of are sympathetic. Characters with big eyes are sympathetic characters. And make some eyelashes come off the top, like this. A little nose here, like that, and some flat eyebrows without a lot of expression, because she's kind of a curious character. We want to leave that for the viewer to figure out. And here is the wraparound for the scarf. And we bring some hair down here. We frame the face like that. Here is the cap. It comes across like this. We'll give a few ridges to indicate that is a wool cap. No shoulders. Not necessary right now to build that out. You want to just make this read as an overcoat. A little line, maybe a couple of buttons, and scarf, and then the bell bottoms really narrow in the middle and absolutely straight down here. Cut them off at the bottom, and just a couple of black lines for the shoes. A little shadow underneath. And there you go. So let's see how we did. Oh, pretty close. Pretty close. Always there's some variations in everything you do. But there we go. Making it very simple makes it very simple. But it has a lot of personality anyway. And that's the key. Anyway, I hope you'll get the book. It is called Learn to Draw Cartoons, the world's easiest cartooning book ever, by Christopher Hart. That's me. And please subscribe. You'll get new videos every week. Thanks for joining me today. Bye-bye.